Introducing the Beldray 5-in-1 Steam Mop. A safe, powerful and easy way to clean virtually anywhere in your home. With its versatile 5-in-1 function, it can be used as a steam mop, carpet steamer, handheld steam cleaner, window cleaner, and garment steamer. Steam is a natural way to clean that has no harmful chemicals and no toxic residues. And using only water means that it's safe, cost-effective and environmentally friendly too. With the vast array of attachments, easy fill water tank, variable steam control and rapid heat up, in just seconds you can get to work on almost any part of the house, such as tiled floors, lino, wood or laminates. And by adding the carpet glider you can steam and breathe life back into your carpets. The 5-in-1 can also be used as a handheld steamer, which is great for cleaning kitchens, bathrooms, on glass or mirrored surfaces, and even upholstery and fabrics such as curtains and shirts. So for a powerful, safe and easy way to tackle any dirt or grime around your home, clean with steam with the Beldray 5-in-1 Steam Mop.